Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary that's redefining luxury travel and mobile living. What you're looking at is the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a revolutionary concept that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in the RV world. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and quite possibly the future of nomadic luxury living. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly, where else can you begin when faced with something this jaw-dropping? The 2026 Ford Motorhome looks like it drove straight out of a science fiction movie. Ford has completely reimagined what a motorhome should look like, trading the traditional boxy design for something that resembles a futuristic spacecraft on wheels. The front fascia is aggressive and angular, with sharp lines that cut through the air with purpose. Those sleek LED headlights aren't just for show, they're designed to maximize visibility while maintaining that cutting-edge aesthetic. The massive windscreen provides a panoramic view of the road ahead, making you feel like you're piloting a luxury vessel rather than driving a motorhome. The body is crafted from lightweight yet incredibly strong materials, featuring a two-tone silver and dark gray color scheme that accentuates its modern design language. What's really impressive is the aerodynamic profile. Every curve and angle has been wind tunnel tested to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. The side profile showcases expansive tinted windows that offer privacy while allowing natural light to flood the interior. And we can't ignore those wheels. This beast sits on what appears to be a triple-axle setup with massive custom alloy wheels that look more at home on a supercar than a motorhome. The ground clearance and stance give it an imposing presence that commands attention wherever it goes. Now let's step inside, and prepare to have your mind blown. The interior of this 2026 Ford Motorhome is where luxury meets innovation in ways we've never seen before. As you enter, you're greeted by an open-concept living space that feels more like a high-end penthouse than a vehicle. The design philosophy here is minimalist luxury, with clean lines, premium materials, and smart use of space throughout. The flooring appears to be a combination of sustainable hardwood and plush carpeting in key areas, while the walls feature a mix of brushed metal accents and soft-touch materials that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The living area features a modular seating arrangement that can be reconfigured based on your needs, whether you're entertaining guests or just relaxing after a long drive. The furniture is upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, and everything is designed to be both beautiful and functional. Above, ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling, allowing you to set the perfect mood for any occasion. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views and make the space feel even more expansive than it already is. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances including an induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size refrigerator, and even a wine cooler. The countertops appear to be premium quartz or granite, and there's ample storage space cleverly integrated into every available nook and cranny. Moving towards the sleeping quarters, you'll find a master bedroom that rivals luxury hotel suites, complete with a king-size bed, premium mattress, and integrated entertainment system. There's also additional sleeping space that can accommodate guests or family members. But here's where this motorhome truly sets itself apart. It features a dedicated gym room. Yes, you heard that right, a fully functional gym inside a motorhome. This fitness area includes space for cardio equipment, free weights, and even a yoga or stretching zone. For nomads and travelers who refuse to compromise on their fitness routine, this is an absolute game changer. The gym room features large windows for natural light and ventilation, and the flooring is specifically designed to handle workout equipment and high-impact exercises. The bathroom deserves special mention as well. It's spacious, modern, and features a full-size shower with rainfall showerhead, premium fixtures, and ample counter space. There's also plenty of storage for toiletries and linens. Throughout the motorhome, you'll find the latest in smart home technology, with integrated controls for climate, lighting, entertainment, and security, all accessible through touchscreen panels or smartphone apps. Under the hood, while specific details are still emerging, we expect Ford to equip this beast with a powerful yet efficient powertrain. Given its size and weight, we're likely looking at a diesel engine with substantial torque output, possibly in the range of 400 to 500 horsepower. Ford has hinted at hybrid or electric assist technology to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions, which would be a significant step forward for vehicles of this size. The suspension system is undoubtedly advanced, probably featuring air suspension that can adjust ride height and provide a smooth, comfortable journey regardless of road conditions. Expect state-of-the-art safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a comprehensive camera system that makes maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly manageable. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. A vehicle of this caliber doesn't come cheap. While Ford hasn't released official pricing yet, industry insiders are estimating this revolutionary motorhome will start somewhere in the range of $500,000 to $750,000, with fully loaded models potentially exceeding $1 million. Yes, it's an enormous investment, but for those who can afford it, you're getting a mobile mansion that doesn't compromise on anything. This is for the elite traveler who demands the absolute best and refuses to sacrifice comfort, fitness, or luxury while exploring the world. The 2026 Ford Motorhome with gym room represents the pinnacle of mobile living, combining futuristic design, uncompromising luxury, and practical innovation in ways we've never seen before.